Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix Retry unable to access the configuration of the current build in the FIFA Mobile. So our first method is so simple that you have to just check your internet connection and change the router of the internet connection. If you are using the mobile data, then you have to just turn it to the Wi-Fi, and if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it to the mobile data. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. Second method is that you have to just turn on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 seconds and then again turn it off. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. Our third method is that you have to just open your Play Store or App Store and just check for your FIFA Mobile that if it is updated or not. If not, then you have to just update it. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. So in our next method, you have to just check that if the time and the date of your mobile or device is set. If not, then you have to just set it to the correct one. For this, you have to just tap on the change date and the time. After this, you have to just change your date and the time according to the valid one. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just restart your device one time. After rebooting your device or restarting your device, your problem will be fixed and you will be back in your FIFA Mobile. And the next method is that you have to just tap and hold on your app and then click on the app details. You have to just click on the storage and the cache and then click on the clear cache and then click on the clear storage. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. And the last and the final solution is that you have to just tap and hold on your app and then click to uninstall it. After uninstalling, you have to just again install it. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.